Hi students, let's take a quick look at how to code a history. In this diagnostic statement, we see that our patient has a personal history of cervical dysplasia. Now, it's important when you see the word history that you do not pick a code that gives the patient that disease right now. You want to make sure that the code says that the patient had a history of cervical dysplasia. So we don't want to use a code saying the patient currently has cervical dysplasia. So the way we find history codes is we go in our alphabetic index and we want to search for the main term history. And when you find history, you'll see that, let me see if I can get my book up there. You'll see that we have a family history and then lots of subterms about family history and personal history and then many subterms about personal history. So in our diagnostic statement, it was a personal history of cervical dysplasia. So in our alphabetic index, we'll find history and then personal, and then we're going to search and find cervical dysplasia. It's in alphabetical order, and we see cervical dysplasia at Z87.410. Cervical dysplasia Z87.410. Now, let's go back into our tabular and verify that code. If you have your book marked, you can find your Z codes pretty quickly. So we want to go to Z87.410. Z87.410. A personal history of cervical dysplasia. That matches our diagnostic statement.